Fixing nocturia, understanding the root cause. Nocturia, or frequent urination at night, is a bothersome condition that disrupts sleep and leads to fatigue and blood sugar imbalances. While it affects both men and women, its underlying cause often goes beyond bladder issues and requires a deeper understanding to address effectively. Contrary to popular belief, simply treating the bladder is akin to scratching the surface of a much larger problem. The misconception. Traditionally, nocturia has been attributed to various factors such as urinary tract infections, UTIs, an enlarged prostate, in men, or excessive water intake. While these factors may contribute, they often fail to fully explain the persistence of nocturnal urination despite treatment. For example, in men, an enlarged prostate is commonly cited as the culprit for nocturnal urination. However, even after treating the prostate, the symptom often persists, suggesting a more complex underlying mechanism at play. Understanding the connection. One significant clue lies in the prevalence of nocturia among diabetics. Individuals with diabetes almost invariably experience nocturnal urination, highlighting the link between high blood sugar levels and urinary frequency. Further research reveals that insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels, plays a pivotal role in urinary frequency. Administering insulin to dogs, for instance, triggers a significant increase in urine output. Moreover, insulin inhibits adrenal hormones responsible for fluid retention, exacerbating the problem. Insulin's role in nocturnal urination is further underscored by its association with conditions like overactive bladder syndrome and metabolic syndrome. Yet, despite its significance, insulin levels are seldom tested in individuals experiencing nocturia, leading to a crucial oversight in diagnosis and treatment. The solution. Addressing nocturia effectively involves simple yet impactful lifestyle modifications. 1. Avoid nighttime snacking. Snacking before bed elevates insulin levels throughout the night, contributing to nocturia. By refraining from eating after 6:30 p.m., individuals can mitigate this hormonal response and reduce nocturnal urination. 2. Limit carbohydrate intake. Adopting a ketogenic diet, characterized by low carbohydrate consumption, less than 30 grams per day, helps stabilize insulin levels and promote better sleep. Coupled with intermittent fasting, this dietary approach can alleviate nocturia symptoms significantly. 3. Hydration management. While adequate hydration is essential during the day, limiting fluid intake after 6:30 p.m. prevents the need for frequent urination at night, especially when combined with dietary adjustments. Conclusion. Nocturia, often dismissed as a mere bladder issue, is intricately linked to insulin levels and dietary habits. By addressing the underlying hormonal imbalance through simple lifestyle changes like avoiding nighttime snacking, reducing carbohydrate intake, and managing hydration, individuals can reclaim restful sleep and alleviate the burden of nocturia once and for all. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for some more useful content and health-related tips. Let's make every day a step towards a happier and healthier you.